All 5 ducklings. 5 little ducks went out to play over the rainbow hill one day. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack. All 5 ducklings came running back. Bellin' bow, bellin' bow,
4 ducklings returned. 4 little ducks swam through the pond, past the flowers and beyond. Mother duck called quack, 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 but only 4 came waddling back.
bellin' bow, bellin' bow. 3 ducklings splash.
3 little ducks jumped in the stream. Bubbles sparkled like a dream. Mother duck called quack, 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 quack. Only 3 ducklings came back. And jo, 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 jo,
2 ducklings roam.
2 little ducks went out to roam over the hills away from home. Mother duck called quack, 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 quack. Only 2 ducklings came back. And jo, 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 jo,
1 duckling lost.
1 little duck went out to play over the moon and far away.
Mother duck called quack, 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 but just 1 duckling found the way back. No ducklings left.
No little ducks went out that day. Mother duck cried near the bay. Then she called quack, 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 and all 5 ducklings came running back. And jo, 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 jo.
Happy family dance. Mother duck smiled.
Quack, 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 quack.
All 5 ducklings back to stay. They splashed and played in the shiny stream, happily dancing in a sunny gleam.